Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of craftsmanship with a detailed drawing of a cupboard. Grab your sketch pad and pencil and let's get started on this exciting project. The first step is to outline the basic structure of the cupboard. Focus on proportions and symmetry. Pay close attention to the dimensions, ensuring a harmonious design for both aesthetics and functionality. Now, let's add intricate details to the cupboard's doors and handles, showcasing your artistic flair. Consider incorporating unique patterns or carvings for a personalized touch that sets your cupboard apart. As you sketch, explain your creative choices and the inspiration behind the design. Demonstrate techniques for shading and highlighting to bring depth and realism to your drawing. Introduce your favorite drawing tools and explain why you prefer them for this type of project. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions about the drawing process. Add a personal touch by sharing stories or memories associated with cupboards in your life. Consider creating a dedicated space for your drawing sessions, showcasing your own artistic environment. Remind viewers to enjoy the creative journey and not just focus on the end result. Discuss any specific challenges posed by drawing a cupboard compared to other subjects. Incorporate elements of humor or light-hearted commentary to keep the video entertaining. End the video with a call to action, inviting viewers to share their drawings inspired by your tutorial. Stay tuned for more exciting drawing tutorials and remember to subscribe for regular updates. Express graduate to your audience. Thanks for watching this video.